What's up guys, welcome to another video. So I literally woke up 2 hours ago, right? 2 hours ago, what time is it? It is 10:32. Yeah, I woke up 2 hours ago and was like, I'm gonna go try this headlight stuff that I got yesterday. And then I was like,
I'll make a video.
Me and Brandon yesterday went to the detailing place that's down the street from us. We got some stuff. Alright, so we teleported. Y'all probably noticed that, but we teleported. So I got a wheel, woolly things for your wheels, clean your wheels so you don't gotta, finger. I got some interior spray. By the way, this is all chemical guys stuff. And then this is stuff I'm gonna try, which is the headlight stuff. I usually use plastics. It works okay on not really bad headlights. I got some air freshener, some after wash detail spray, after wash shine while you dry. So some quick detail spray, So yeah, so we're gonna go try this headlight stuff. Got towels, headlight stuff, tape. I think that's it. These are what the headlights look like. They are terrible. Tape it off and then use it. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down somewhere so you can see. I gotta take a picture, show Brandon, because he got the same stuff and he wants to know how it works. So we're gonna take a before and after picture. Alright, so did 3 sections. I'm gonna do one time with kind of scrubbing. This one's gonna have a lot of scrubbing, and then this one's gonna be nothing. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I actually switched it. So this one is done one time, kind of scrubbing. This one was done twice with aggressive scrubbing, and then this one is obviously the normal one. So actually, from what it looks like, it did pretty good. I mean, compared, it's pretty good. This one even looks pretty good even with one-time scrubbing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture and then take the tape off and finish it, and then I'll show you the finished product. So it's actually kind of cool. You can see the lines where the tape was. That's kind of cool. But yeah. So this is finished. Actually, this was really rough, and actually took some of the roughness out. I'd say that's pretty good compared to the other one, which the camera doesn't even make a good enough picture. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one, then I'll give you an after one. Alright guys, so I just finished the last headlight. It took 15 minutes for me to do, if not longer. This one actually didn't do it as well as this one, but it still made a difference. Like I said before, it had a roughness on it. It's not really rough anymore. So I mean, I think it worked pretty well. That's the end of this video. If you guys like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up. Got any other suggestions? Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, tell Billy to follow us. tell everyone. Your support helps us make videos. See you next time. Peace.